Repaint your world in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where green-spirited brands such as JUB are creating innovative wall paints and ethics facade systems that reduce carbon impact for both people and the environment. As a successful international corporation, JUB has nearly 150 years of tradition in paint production and manages 12 subsidiaries around the world. Today, JUB Group distinguishes itself through state-of-the-art, automated and robotics-driven production. By acting responsibly and caring for present and future generations, JUB is creating colorful and energy-efficient living conditions.
Our story began when our founder started grinding different colored minerals of the so-called earth colors. Over the years, JUB grew more and more and now holds more than 60% of the Slovenian market. Currently, we export products to more than 30 countries across Europe and the world. Our primary goal is understanding the needs of our customers and how to provide them with the best possible user experience in designing unique, healthy and modern, eco-friendly homes.
Their commitment to excellence is highly awarded, while their zero-waste philosophy guides them in calibration with local suppliers. With green products such as the JUB Wellbeing interior wall paints, which contribute to the well-being of customers and the planet, JUB is reducing carbon footprint home by home. By being green, creative and smart, JUB is an example of the unwavering Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Refine the world one brushstroke at a time in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.